Hey friends, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company, and I'm standing outside of Amber Marie Manor. As you may know, this is our 100-year-old historic home here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we are decorating it for every season. Right now, it's decked out for the 4th of July, and it looks absolutely spectacular. I'm going to give you some sneak peeks, show you a few videos of how we brought all of our beautiful patriotic collection to the outside of Amber Marie Manor because the inside's not done. And stay tuned because very soon we're going to be releasing a blank canvas, beautiful walkthrough of Amber Marie Manor. Beautiful bunting on the balconies. And I just love the way this cotton bunting looks so traditional and just has those old school vibes. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the walkway. And it wasn't easy creating it, so let's show you a quick snippet of how we created this beautiful space. We're fluffing these guys, these little geraniums, getting them all ready to go up. They're going to be beautiful. The outside of the manor is all about the 4th of July. It's all about the patriotic summer. We're calling it our patriotic summer here at Amber Marie Manor. Look at these big, beautiful caladiums. They're just looking so gorgeous. I love it. We have these beautiful pots filled with elephant ears on each side of the front porch. They're just so gorgeous and a beautiful welcoming view as you walk up. You've also seen several videos of what we've done on the side porch or the side patio. Now the side patio makeover isn't quite done. We've got so much more work to do. Look at these beautiful ferns. We've added these beautiful red geraniums outside to these ferns, along with some beautiful 4th of July decor in these pots. I think it just looks amazing. And I know y'all have seen the video on how we have decorated our beautiful picket fence. This is what it's looking like mid-July here with all of our patriotic decor, beautiful geraniums. Just loving the look of this. You've got to check out our 4th of July display. It's absolutely amazing, especially at nighttime. Take a look at what we've done. You're going to love this little private, exclusive nighttime tour of Amber Marie Manor outside. Let me know in the comments what you loved, what's your favorite. It is a beautiful 4th of July weekend. I hope you have a fun and safe 4th of July weekend with your friends and family. And let me know what you thought of Amber Marie Manor at night. All right, everybody, can't wait to see you guys again really, really soon.